welcome back to Kooks. I am Keisha Michelle, and today we're making some meatball marinara subs. These are actually the best meatball marinara subs. I actually am not a fan of these sandwiches, you guys, but my family requested them. So I put on my cooking cape and I got them done. Let's get started. So here I am just combining my sausage and my ground beef. Sausage is completely optional, but I just decided to add it little razzle dazzle to this meal. Then I just added all my seasonings in. Y'all know how I do. Add whatever seasonings you want to, but the seasonings that I added were Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, onion powder, and of course, you gotta add your parsley flakes, y'all. It's just, I don't know, it just makes me feel accomplished. Alright, you guys, so instead of speeding this clip up, I just kind of wanted to take out some time to talk to you guys. If you're new to my channel, I am Keisha Michelle, as I've said before, and I would like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and spending time with me on all of my cooking videos. And I also want to thank you guys for getting us almost to 2,000 subscribers. That is huge. I look forward to sharing more yummy recipes with you guys. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. I really enjoy seeing where my viewers are watching my videos from. It just really makes me happy to know that people from all over the world is watching my videos. I also added in some of my favorite Parmesan cheese, that is the Belgioioso cheese, and a little bit of mozzarella. We're gonna cook that with the meatballs. Now this stuff right here, this Borson, baby, listen. That stuff will knock your socks off. It just adds something special to it. I don't really know what it is, but it just adds something special to your meatballs. So I just went on ahead and added in a half of that in with the meatball mixture. And y'all are probably gonna judge me for this, but I did add a couple of squirts of ketchup into this meat mixture just to kind of like knock some of that tanginess from the marinara sauce that's gonna be in there. I also added some into the sauce, y'all. Please don't judge me. Just simply trust the process. That's your only job here. You're probably watching this video wondering where the egg is. Well, I have a son who is allergic to eggs, so a lot of recipes that I make that requires eggs, like meatloaf, meatballs, you know, things like that, I do not add eggs to that for that reason. So we improvise over here, but these meatballs were just as tasty. So here I am just rolling the balls into obviously a sphere shape. Some people use different measurement tools, and some people even weigh their meatballs, y'all. I was like, girl, I'm not doing all that. We just gonna make it do what it do, and we're gonna cook these balls of meat up and put them on some French sub rolls, okay? So these balls are medium size. So I personally don't like to see pink in my meat. So I did make sure that I cooked them very well. So you're just gonna sear them on all the sides. I would say cook them for about 4 minutes on each side, but you know, your time may vary just depending on the size of your meatballs. I didn't really calculate the time while I was cooking these, but I did break a few balls open to make sure that they were done. So after your meatballs are just about done, I am going to add sauce into the pan. Now keep in mind your meatballs will continue to cook while they simmer in the sauce, but right now we are just getting ready to spruce this up with some garlic powder, heavy on the onion powder. I mean, of course, like I always say, add your seasonings to your liking. I do not do measurements. I let the Lord lead me and guide me when it comes to seasoning my food, okay? I allowed my meatballs to simmer in the sauce so that all of those flavors can marry into the meatballs, like just marry together, and it's gonna be a flavor party in your mouth, okay? I let them simmer for about 30 minutes before creating the subs. And of course, you can use whatever sub roll you would like to use, but I really enjoyed the Jimmy John's French bread rolls. They were only 50 cents per roll, very cost effective, and I would just highly recommend, if you have a Jimmy John's in your area, go get you some of those sub rolls, y'all. Only 50 cents per roll. You cannot beat that. You're not gonna find that in stores, okay? And it's quality bread. Here I am just putting a little bit of sauce on one half of the sandwich. I am using some provolone cheese. However, you can use whatever cheese you would like to use. I'm just adding that to the base of the bread. Well, not the base, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all see, just watch the screen, okay? Once you've added your sauce and your cheese, you are then going to add in your meatballs. Add however many you would like. These are for the kids, so I'm not going to add a ton of meatballs. I don't really see how people will enjoy a very bally meatball marinara sandwich. Oh God. But yeah, just add whatever you'd like to add. Then I topped it with some Sargento mozzarella cheese. This cheese melts the best. We're gonna pop these in the oven, pull them out, and boom, there you have it. These are the kids. Now, I'm also gonna show you my husband's. His look really fancy. Okay, let me just show y'all real quick. So of course, he's a full-grown man. He likes the meats on his sandwiches. That sounds so wrong, okay? But I did put some Parmesan cheese over his meatball sauce, and then I topped it with the mozzarella, popped it in the oven, let the cheese melt, bread get toasty, and of course I garnished all of the sandwiches with some parsley flakes just to add that pop of color. It looked like Christmas over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified for the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.